Home prices surged almost 12% in June from 1 year ago. The biggest gains were in Nevada, where prices soared more than 26%. The only states that saw prices drop were Mississippi and Delaware. And while the latest stats show prices are going up here in Arizona, experts say don't start the celebration just yet. Tonight, CBS 5's Jason Berry has the straight story about where the Valley's real estate market is really sitting.
Valley homeowner and entertainer Mary Holland pays close attention to her music and the Valley's real estate market.
It just kept going down and down, and I think everybody thought, well, this got to bottom out pretty soon. It just took a long time.
The Goodyear woman tells us the value of her home dropped 50 to 60% during the housing crisis. And even though home prices have come back this year, it's not enough to offset what she's lost.
I just don't think we're going to see a profit at this point. It's just not there.
The latest numbers show home values in the Phoenix area have gone up 25 to 30% in the past year. That ranks third in the entire country. So why then aren't more Valley homeowners more excited?
They haven't made that up.
Arizona Association of Realtors President Sue Fluke gave us the straight story. She said that some Valley neighborhoods saw their home values drop 100 to 120%. So even though there's been a bounce back up, thousands of homeowners are still underwater, which means they owe more on their house than it's worth.
If they bought and they dropped somewhere between 50 to 100%, and we've only recouped maybe 25 to 30% of that, they have a ways to go. That being said, we're still in a recovery mode. We were one of the hardest hit back in 2005, 2006, 2007. Now we're starting to come out, but we haven't come out all the way.
Holland says even though home prices haven't come all the way back, at least they're headed in the right direction.
It's better. It feels better. People aren't so scared right now, but yeah, we got a ways to go.
To give you a little history, home prices were at their peak in June 2006, with the average median home price across the valley at $264,000. It hit bottom in September 2000.